Let's learn shapes. What shapes are these?
Circle, triangle, square, heart, rhombus, oval, rectangle, hexagon, octagon, star, crescent, trapezoid, heptagon, parallelogram, cross, arrow, ellipse.
Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe.